Imagine this. It's a normal day, and suddenly every screen on Earth flashes the same urgent message. A skyscraper-sized asteroid, blandly named 2025 PDC, is heading straight for us. This isn't a movie. It's a real, quantifiable threat. The universe is a cosmic shooting gallery, and we're the targets. Our solar system is full of debris, leftover building blocks of planets, wandering under the pull of giants like Jupiter and the Sun. Sometimes their paths cross ours. Earth is racing through this minefield at 67,000 miles per hour. The universe isn't out to get us. It's just indifferent. The dinosaurs didn't have telescopes or a space program. They just had a very bad day. We're different. We can see these threats coming, and maybe do something about them. This isn't just about survival. It's about our responsibility as the first species able to understand and act. The real danger isn't the asteroid we know about. It's the one we haven't found yet. The stakes? Everything we know and love. Our planet is fragile, sitting at a busy cosmic intersection. This isn't a call to panic. It's a call to action. We have the intelligence and technology to protect ourselves. The cosmic duck hunt is on. It's time to build our shield. We're not powerless. We're the first line of defense. The universe won't wait for us to be ready. Our future depends on what we do next. Will we look up with fear or with curiosity and resolve? The clock is ticking. We can't afford to ignore the threat. Every discovery, every invention, every life depends on our vigilance. Let's use our collective intelligence to ensure humanity's story continues. The universe may be indifferent, but we don't have to be. It's time to take our place as guardians of Earth. So what are these cosmic bullies? They're called near-Earth objects, or NEOs. Their orbits bring them close enough to cross Earth's path. Think of it as living next to a busy highway. Most traffic stays in its lane, but sometimes a car swerves. NEOs are those swerving cars. They come in two types: comets, icy, and asteroids, rocky. Asteroids range from pebbles to small countries, ancient rubble from the solar system's birth. Their orbits are often stretched out, making them dangerous when they intersect with Earth's. Most of the time, we miss each other, but sometimes we don't. Even a small asteroid can release more energy than the biggest nuclear bomb. A 50-meter rock could wipe out a city. A kilometer-wide one could change the world. Most NEOs are harmless, burning up as shooting stars. But we're not worried about pebbles. We're worried about boulders. The scariest are called potentially hazardous asteroids, or PHAs. These are big enough and come close enough to demand our attention. Tracking them isn't just for astronomers. It's planetary security. Knowing your cosmic neighbors is crucial when some are city killers. The threat is real, but so is our ability to find and track them. Awareness is our first line of defense. Think this is just theory? Look at Earth's scars. Craters tell the story. The Barringer crater in Arizona, nearly a mile wide, was made by an asteroid only 150 feet across. Imagine what a bigger one could do. The most famous impact ended the dinosaurs. An asteroid 6 miles wide hit what's now Mexico, creating the Chicxulub crater. It triggered mega tsunamis, wildfires, and a global winter, wiping out 75% of species. That catastrophe changed evolution's course. Without it, mammals and us might not exist. The same forces that destroy can also create. Chicxulub wasn't unique. Other massive craters like Vredefort and Sudbury show these events happen. They're rare, but real. Earth isn't a sanctuary, it's a target. The dinosaurs never saw it coming. We can. Their extinction is a warning etched in stone. Our planet's history is shaped by impacts. We have the knowledge to avoid their fate. The difference is, we can act. How often do asteroids visit? More than you think. Every day, 100 tons of cosmic dust rains down, harmless shooting stars. But sometimes something bigger arrives. In 2013, a 20-meter asteroid exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia, injuring 1,500 people. It was a warning shot, small, undetected, but powerful. Larger asteroids have come close. Spooky in 2015, City Killer in 2019. Sometimes spotted only days before. The more we look, the more we find. Small impacts happen every few decades. City destroyers every few thousand years. Civilization enders every 50 to 100 million years. The odds are low, but the consequences are huge. That's why we need planetary fire insurance. So how do we spot these threats before they spot us? A global network of telescopes on Earth and in space scans the sky every night. Programs like Catalina Sky Survey and Pan-STARRS are our sentinels. When a new asteroid is found, its path is tracked and analyzed. NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office runs simulations to predict future impacts. If a threat is real, alarms sound. It's meticulous detective work, not Hollywood drama. But there are blind spots. Ground telescopes can't see asteroids coming from the sun's direction. The Chelyabinsk asteroid slipped through this way. That's why NASA is building the NEO Surveyor, a space telescope to spot threats from all angles. This next-gen system will revolutionize our ability to find dangerous objects. The more we see, the safer we are. Vigilance is our best defense. What if a big asteroid gets through? If it hits the ocean, a mega tsunami would devastate coastlines. If it hits land, a crater miles wide forms in seconds, everything at ground zero vaporized. Shockwaves, fireballs, and superheated air would level cities. Billions of tons of dust would block sunlight, causing a global impact winter. Crops would fail, temperatures would plummet, and the food chain would collapse. Acid rain and greenhouse gases would follow, making Earth hostile for centuries. Surviving the blast is just the beginning. The aftermath could threaten our entire species. This isn't just a big explosion, it's a planetary reset. The lesson: prevention is everything. We can't afford to be unprepared. The stakes are survival itself. Our best hope is to stop the impact before it happens. Are we just going to wait for disaster? Absolutely not. For the first time, a species can fight back. The key: spot the threat early and nudge it off course. NASA's DART mission proved we can hit an asteroid and change its path. For bigger threats, we have other ideas. The gravity tractor: park a heavy spacecraft near the asteroid and let gravity do the work, slowly pulling it away. The nuclear option: detonate a device near the asteroid, vaporizing part of its surface to push it off course. Not blowing it up, but giving it a shove. These aren't just theories, they're being tested now. International cooperation is crucial. This is a global problem. We have options, and we're no longer defenseless. Science is our shield. The universe may throw rocks, but we can throw them back. Our future depends on preparation, vigilance, and action. We're the guardians of our planet. The next chapter is up to us. We can change our cosmic destiny. Let's make sure humanity's story continues.